Hello students, Mr. O, one of your substitute teachers here, and today I'm having a bad hair day. Yep, another bad hair day. Having another bad hair day. Yep, another bad hair day. Even with the visor. Bad hair day. So with all those barber shops and beauty parlors closed due to social distancing, we're going to be having a lot of bad hair days. So today's episode is Homeschool Haircuts with Mr. O. So if we're gonna do our barber shop and haircut at home, we're gonna need to have the proper tools. We need a scissors, a comb, a brush, and some hair clips. If we went to a barber shop or a beauty salon out on town, all these tools would be properly sanitized and they need to be clean before we touch our face. The proper way to sanitize these tools is with bleach, but in the days of social distancing, we couldn't find bleach anywhere out on town. The only place we have bleach here in the house is. So let's sanitize these tools with the bleach that we have and get them all clean. So with the Arizona state rules that prohibit putting kids in front of the camera, my kids aren't able to cut my hair here. So who's gonna cut my hair? Are you thinking, homeschool students, you want Mr. O to try to cut his own hair? All right, we'll try this once. And remember, it's just hair, it'll grow back. Here goes.
Hair is a protein filament which grows from follicles found in the dermis. Dermis means skin. Hair is one of the defining characteristics of mammals. The human body is covered in follicles which produce thick and fine hair.
So I did my best with the split ends. Now for phase 2, we're gonna whip out the big guns.
Most common interests in hair focused on hair growth, hair types, and hair care. Understand that hair, including the hair on your head, grows at different rates, which is why a barber or a stylist will trim the hair. Hair grows everywhere on the human body, except for the palms of your hands, the soles of your feet, and your lips. Everywhere else, you are hairy.
So our next step is to part the hair how we like to part it. I usually part my hair from this side over to this side. And last step is to clean up because this makes a lot of mess. So it's a lot better, it's a lot higher quality. It's probably a lot safer to get this done out in those hair salons or beauty shops, beauty parlors. A lot of them aren't open now. So this is an alternative to one thing that you can do. Let's clean up this mess and then we'll close it out. Okay, so now we are ready for that job interview or that first day of school pictures or that social media call with family. Remember, barbers and hairstylists are trained professionals. They have a license in cosmetology. So when all this lockdown is done, go get yourself a professional shave and a haircut and tip them big. Until then, from the safe social distance, this is Mr. O telling you to keep calm, get go on.